Understanding the phrase, a step up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of English idioms and explore the meaning of the phrase, a step up. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it. To begin, let's look at the words step and up. In the most basic sense, when you step up onto something, you are elevating yourself, moving to a higher position. Imagine climbing stairs. Each movement you make is a step, and you're going up. Now, let's dive deeper. In English, a step up doesn't always refer to physical movement. It can describe an improvement, enhancement, or progression in a situation or condition. For example, if you move from a smaller apartment to a bigger one, that's a step up in your living situation. To further understand, let's go through some examples. 1. Job position. After working hard for 2 years, Maria got a promotion. It's definitely a step up from her previous role. 2. Technology. This new phone model is a step up from the old one. It has more features and a better camera. 3. Lifestyle. Moving to a house with a garden was a step up for Liam after living in a flat for years. Notice that in each example, a step up indicates an improvement or advancement in some way. A phrase as common as this can sometimes be misused. Here are a couple of things to be careful about. 1. Don't confuse with step on. While step on refers to putting your foot on something, a step up refers to an improvement or elevation. 2. Context is crucial. Use a step up only when referring to something better or higher than before. It might not fit if there's no comparison or progression involved. So there you have it. The phrase, a step up, is a versatile and commonly used idiom to express improvement or elevation in various contexts. Whether you're talking about jobs, technology, or lifestyle changes, now you'll be ready to use it accurately. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, every day is a chance to take a step up in your English learning journey.